Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to talk about myths of software development companies. So I am a software developer at TCS and today I'm going to discuss what we actually think software development is, but what software development actually is when you get into the company. So basically when you get into a software company, so the rounds are aptitude LR followed by a coding round, and if you qualify both rounds then you get a technical interview and then followed by a HR interview. Then you get into software development. So this video is for people who are in their final years or who are looking for a job and who will enter the corporate world. Okay, so let's start off with what actually people tells you to prepare. So mainly everybody prepares for competitive coding, dynamic programming and functions. And also there are myths like please do coding in Python because Java is very old school, nobody uses Java. So these all are wrong conceptions. So yeah, partially it is true for product based companies. You do need dynamic programming, you do need competitive coding, but there are many companies in which basic programming language is mainly tested, and in 50 to 60% of the company the basic coding language is tested. So what you need to do is you need to prepare for string functions and all of those stuffs. So what actually happens in companies? So let's start off with, suppose I work under a client XYZ. Okay, so the client wants me to prepare a chatbot. So what happens is that main part of the time in your company goes in research. So suppose you need to prepare a chatbot, so you have to research it through what chatbot is, what technologies are used, what functionalities will be required, what are the skills, for example in which language it will be developed. So these are the things that mainly goes into a research. So then the base code is prepared, or you get the base code from somewhere if it already exists. So now what happens if the client wants you to change the UI? So the UI is not user friendly, so you change the UI. You do it in Angular, HTML or any JavaScript or anything that is feasible. Okay, and then for example the client tells you that it's not user friendly, so you need to add more inputs. So how you train the inputs, NLP you use, you give better examples so that the bot learns quickly. So yes, we do need to go through 1,000 or 10,000 lines of code, but it's not important that you write. And also software development is not only about coding and coding and coding, it consists of a lot of other things than coding. So before when we were in our college, so I always used to think that software development is only coding, will only write functions to create something, to do something. No guys, mainly software development is about codes but not entirely about codes. It's mainly fixing the issues, testing, writing, enhancing your code level, or if something is written, making it better. And according to the client side, we also implement a lot of things. So, and also let me tell you one more thing ki when you are into a company, suppose when you are into a XYZ company, so you need to attend stand-ups, you need to give your daily updates, you need to check your emails, you need to revert to your emails. So these are also a part of a day in a software development role. Okay, so to everybody starting new in this zone, I wish you all the very best. And if you have any queries related to the video, please drop down. And if you're new here, then do subscribe to my channel. I hope the myth about coding is clear now. So software development is not only about coding. Yeah, a part of it involves coding, but not all of it. So I hope you've learned something from the video. And if you like this video, then do give it a thumbs up. Thank you.